Alright, what's going on everyone? So today I'm back with my second video. I said I was going to be putting out 2 videos today, and well, I'm going to try and stay as true to my word. I don't know when this video is going to be up, but hopefully it's up the same day I said, because you know, YouTube low-key has been putting out my videos lately. I know some people get notifications, but a lot of people aren't, and you know, it sucks for me, you know, but you know, I'm glad that there's still some of y'all watching my videos. I'm going to be putting out content, you know, just because I enjoy putting out content. That's what I like. So I just really do hope you guys will enjoy this video. It's going to be a fun one. It's also a funny one too, just because happens to me all the time. Oh, really? And you know, you guys laugh at me in the comments. It's funny. But yeah, I just hope you guys will enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new, drop a like, and yeah, you know, it was unfortunate for me too, because in the situation I was in, I'll explain. And I promise y'all this isn't an excuse for me taking an L, but basically what happened is that the last few days in Charlotte, all it's been doing is raining, and I haven't seen the sun in a few days. Like, I haven't seen it in the air at all. I've just seen clouds and overcast. So basically that's what it's been like. So I'm not saying that's going to throw off my connection, but the building I'm in usually for my third block, it's in some trailers, so basically the connection is 0 to none, or it's like super slow, you know, everything's pretty laggy. So whenever I'm in there from, you know, my third class, I'm just like, yeah, you know, I'm probably not going to get anything, and you know, that's just sort of what happened here, except it was especially slow because it's been raining and power, you know, gone out, services are down and all that. So you know, just it was crazy. Just, you're gonna see it. All right, so here's the start of the live cop for me. It's gonna be right here, but basically it just stayed loading for a really long time, like not like 5-10 seconds like, you know, like I normally would and all that. It was trying to load, and this is what I mean by staying in like the trailer classroom, and just nothing was loading. And honestly, it was 10:59 a.m. I was getting anxiety. I was about to just close out my phone and say, Alexa, play sicko mode or something like that. Like, I was literally just about to just not even like deal with this and just be like, nah, you know, I took an L before the drop even happened. That's sort of type thing. But you know, it eventually loaded. I'll change it here in a second. It takes a minute though. See, look, it isn't even loaded fully yet. You see it? It's not even loaded fully. It's crazy. But then here it is. You know, we got the checkout page. You know, it's refreshing, which is good. The drop's about having hits 11 o'clock, and it gets stuck. I don't know why it gets stuck, but this is probably the reason I took an L. And here's what I mean by the Wi-Fi. You see how it isn't even like fully loading images or anything? It just is adding. It does add it to the card eventually. I don't know how. There's probably only like 2 left, so it gets one of them and then gets the deck. And here I am on the autofill page. And I was thinking, since bots have been down in recent weeks, I thought about copy and pasting my credit card number and typing in my CVV, thinking it'd give me success. Let's just say it didn't work out. You know, thinking about sort of going manual, it just, don't even try. Just go fully on the bot. And as you see, I take an L on the headband, and the cat in the hat deck said it was added to my cart. It wasn't even there. So you know, I just took a fat L in general, and then I add this one to my cart, doing the exact same thing, thinking I'm avoiding the whole Supreme security system when I was just being dumb. I wasn't avoiding anything. And I type everything in, copy paste, it processes for a very little bit. I'm like, yeah, I was hoping, and there you go, I get declined. So you know, the typical card decline, you know, wizard just was flying over me like, hey buddy, you don't get anything today. You don't get anything today. You don't get anything today. And you know, that's just basically how it went. I went back, and I was, you know, I'm not even gonna like show the clip anymore. I'm just gonna take this down off the screen. Basically what it was like is just me getting just declined over and over, looking through other items I thought was really cool. There was one item, I'll put a picture of it on the screen. I thought this was cool and I was trying to cop it, but again, this item didn't even sell out fast. This item sold in like 10 minutes, and I couldn't get it because of the internet. And this has been dope to have in like a size medium. That would have been such a sick item I have, because I have a lot of items in my collection too to like match it. I know there's like some stuff on the side here, and I have some pants and things. Like, those go really dope and make a sick winter fit, and it was one of my favorite jackets I'd seen actually, and I didn't even know about it originally. But I'm gonna try and slow down my speaking, because y'all, I'm probably talking to like hieroglyphics or something right now, but that's just what happened. You know, I just took a fat L. Got declined like pretty much every YouTuber, and you know, when YouTubers make live calls, what do you expect? You expect, that's right, NL, and yeah, you know, that's what I took. So yeah, that's what happened. You know, I thought I'd make a video on it, because it's probably funny for y'all to watch me take L's, honestly, almost every week, because you know, I say, oh, don't worry, I got it next week. Psych, just doesn't happen. But yeah, you know, just bad internet, bad all that. I basically no connection, and you know, I think that's what led to my card decline, is me not having any connection, so I couldn't check out. But yeah, that's it. Happens to the best of us, or not really, because y'all probably got something. But before y'all click off, if y'all did enjoy this video, go ahead and subscribe and drop a like. And if you didn't enjoy this video, like you didn't like anything about it, and you're somehow still watching this video, you can subscribe and like too. I'd really appreciate it. So you know, future reference, you know, you guys to subscribe so you can see more amazing content on the channel. Not just kidding. I think my content's good, and you know, I like making videos like this, so I just hope you guys did enjoy. And yeah, I probably spoke really fast throughout the whole video. That's just what happens, because you know, I'm watching the live cop on my phone, so I'm like talking as fast as the live cop goes. And the live cop isn't even running anymore, and I'm still talking sort of fast. But yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy the video. New sort of location. I actually like the background of this one, but that's it. Thanks for that. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out.